Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Idioms. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. He's always burning the midnight oil. A. Wasting time. B. Working late. C. Sleeping early. D. Relaxing. The correct answer is letter B. Working late. Burning the midnight oil means staying up late to work or study. She turned a blind eye to his mistake. A. Ignored it. B. Helped him fix it. C. Exposed it. D. Forgot it. The correct answer is letter A. Ignored it. Turn a blind eye means to ignore something on purpose. He jumped on the bandwagon. A. Started a business. B. Joined something popular. C. Changed his job. D. Went traveling. The correct answer is letter B. Joined something popular. Jump on the bandwagon means to follow a trend. She was caught red-handed. A. In the act of doing something wrong. B. Cleaning up. C. Feeling embarrassed. D. Winning a prize. The correct answer is letter A. In the act of doing something wrong. Caught red-handed means caught while committing a crime or mistake. Let's cross that bridge when we come to it. A. Avoid it forever. B. Deal with it later. C. Start planning now. D. Forget it completely. The correct answer is letter B. Deal with it later. Cross that bridge means face the problem only when it happens. He spilled his guts during the interview. A. Got sick. B. Revealed everything. C. Got angry. D. Cried. The correct answer is letter B. Revealed everything. Spill your guts means to tell everything, even secrets. That idea is out of the blue. A. Expected. B. Sudden and surprising. C. Boring. D. Unrealistic. The correct answer is letter B. Sudden and surprising. Out of the blue means unexpectedly. She's biting off more than she can chew. A. Talking too much. B. Taking on too much work. C. Eating too fast. D. Being greedy. The correct answer is letter B. Taking on too much work. Bite off more than you can chew means to accept more responsibility than you can handle. He finally broke the ice. A. Started talking comfortably. B. Got into trouble. C. Got angry. D. Canceled plans. The correct answer is letter A. Started talking comfortably. Break the ice means to ease tension in a social situation. They're skating on thin ice with the boss. A. Doing well. B. In a risky situation. C. Having fun. D. Ignoring him. The correct answer is letter B. In a risky situation. Skate on thin ice means to be in danger of getting into trouble. Did you get 10 out of 10?